Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkangor on Tuesday said the preparation for the upcoming assembly election in the state is going on in full swing. The State Election Department has projected a requirement of 119 CAPF companies consisting of BSF, CRPF and other central paramilitary forces. Kharkangor said against this projected requirement, 30 companies have already come in and the first batch initially had another 10 is coming soon. He informed that there are 700 plus vulnerable polling stations and 300 plus critical polling stations in the state. Furthermore, the CEO informed that the number of polling stations has gone up to 3,482 from 3,082 in 2018 assembly polls.
We have already done the exercise. We have about 700 plus vulnerable polling stations and about 300 plus critical polling stations. But that figure is a dynamic situation, so that will be changing as we head into the polls. So coming to the preparations in terms of the CAPF, so against this projected requirement, the Election Commission and the Ministry of Home has been kind enough to deploy 40 companies here with us. So these 40 will be there for area dominance, and we are expecting that the remaining companies will also be coming close to the poll date.